everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and I am back with another Continental knitting stitch tutorial. Today's tutorial will cover the woven stitch. This fun and easy 8-row repeat is a dream. If you are a beginner and you're looking to switch it up a little bit, this might just be the stitch pattern for you. It is stretchy in all directions, so it's great for things like blankets and sweaters, hats, scarves, you name it, and it keeps its shape. So, without further ado, I'm going to jump right into this tutorial. Before we begin, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future knitting content from me. Alright, let's dive in. Alright, in order to do this stitch, you want to cast on in multiples of 4 and add an additional 2. For row 1, what we want to do is knit each stitch along. So I'm going to do that. If you are brand new to knitting, this of course is not a tutorial for you. I do have an entire list of knitting tutorials for beginners back on my channel, so if you want to check that out, you can. Alright, we are just going to go on along and knit each stitch along our needle. Okay, and that is row 1. For row 2, we are going to turn our work and we are going to purl each stitch along. Alright, and this is row 2. For row 3, we are going to spice it up just a little bit. We are going to start the row off with a knit 2. 1, 2, and then we are going to start our repeat of purl 2, knit 2, all the way across. So bring the yarn forward, purl the next 2 stitches, bring the yarn back and knit the next 2 stitches all the way across. Alright, and that is row 3. For row 4, we are going to do just the opposite here, and we are going to start the row off with a purl 2. Get my life together. I'm going to purl those first 2 stitches. Alright, then you're going to start the repeat of knit 2. Purl 2 all the way across. And then we're ending the row on a purl 2. Alright, and that is row 4. Alright, now we are moving on to row 5. For row 5, what we're going to do is knit each stitch across. And that is the end of row 5. For row 6, we're going to turn our work and we are going to purl each stitch across. Alright, for row 7, we're on the front side of our work and we are going to start the row off with a purl 2. 2. Alright, and then we're going to start the repeat for the row, which is knit 2, purl 2. My last 2, and this is what row 7 looks like. Right, now we're on to the final row of our repeat, which is row 8, and for row 8 we are going to start the row off with a knit 2, 1, so let's not ply our yarn, 1, and 2. Alright, and now we're going to start this row's repeat of purl 2, knit 2 until the end. So, purl the next 2, knit the next 2, alright, and I'm coming in, I'm going to knit the last 2 stitches of this row, 1 and 2. And that completes our pattern repeat, and from here you would start all over at row 1 where you'd be knitting all stitches, and you would repeat rows 1 through 8 over and over again until you got a fabric sample that looked similar to this one. Now with this one I did experiment with 2 different yarns, same weight, 2 different textures. So this more spongy acrylic will have a fluffier and bolder profile than this more satiny type acrylic right here that has a lower profile. Details aren't as sharp. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future knitting content from me. If you want to support the channel beyond subscribing, head over to my website and sign up for the newsletter so you don't miss out on everything Infiniti Crafting Co. Coming soon, I have yarn bowls hitting the shop that I made with these hands. I'm so excited to share them with you all. Hopefully you'll enjoy what I have to offer, and until next time guys, thanks for watching and happy making.